I learned this trick at a restaurant. Juicy and delicious chicken. Start by placing a whole butterflied chicken on a cutting board. Next, pound it with a rolling pin just like this. Now, season it with 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of black pepper, and spread by hand. Flip the chicken and season the other side with the same ingredients. Once you've done that, in a large skillet over medium-low heat, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and stir until melted. When that happens, add 1 drizzle of vegetable oil, 3 sliced garlic cloves, and fry them until slightly golden brown. Now, remove the garlic from the skillet, add the seasoned chicken, and fry on both sides until golden brown. This is the right point. Turn off the heat and set aside. Next, in a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, parsley to taste, 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix until combined. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. Now, using a brush, spread this sauce all over the chicken and set aside. Next, on a sheet of aluminum foil, make a base using round slices of red onion. Place the chicken over the onion slices. Wrap all the ingredients in foil. Take to a skillet over medium heat and let it all cook for 30 minutes. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe. So, click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I really hope you like this recipe. Now, I'll head back to the comments section and will continue to answer everyone who left the name of their city, and I'll also thank you for sharing this recipe. See you next recipe. Bye.